Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make raw kefir at home. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains and 1 quart of fresh, raw milk. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal spoon for stirring, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cheesecloth secured with a rubber band. Cleanliness is key, so make sure all your equipment is thoroughly washed and rinsed before you begin this exciting process. Now let's get to the fermentation. Gently place your 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into the quart of raw milk in your glass jar. Give it a gentle stir with your non-metal spoon. Cover the jar with your breathable lid like a coffee filter or cheesecloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Let this mixture sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 hours. You'll notice it thickening. After approximately 24 hours, your raw milk kefir should be noticeably thicker, resembling a thin yogurt. Gently stir the mixture to ensure the grains are well distributed before straining. Now, carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh non-metal strainer into a clean jar. The beautiful, creamy kefir will pass through, leaving your precious kefir grains behind in the strainer, ready to start a brand new batch. For an extra burst of flavor, you can do a second fermentation. Simply add some fruit or natural flavorings to your strained kefir and let it sit at room temperature for another 6 to 12 hours. Once done, transfer your delicious raw kefir to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 7 days. Don't forget to immediately place your strained kefir grains into fresh raw milk to keep them healthy and active for your next batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.